So a very interesting moment during that week was when Benjamin Poredos was talking about his smart textiles. He had a whole box with him. He has shown us how difficult it is to have uh, sensors and to fix a sensor on a textile material, a sensor which is reacting differently. And it's different to work with these sensors and these challenges. Also felt Meta Austria, Christoph, Arno Aumeier. I don't know if you are here. If somebody is here from this team, Christoph, Arno, I would love to hear how you worked. It was a very difficult week with some ups and downs. Dear Benjamin, well, there are sensors for your project and we will send them to the right address. Now, your ideas, please. Thanks. Thanks, Tom. Well, I have to say respect. I was here yesterday in your studio. I don't really envy you. It's quite hot when there is 30 degrees outside. Well, the boys from our boys just received the first sensors on Monday. The second versions are here already. I got the feedback from them that they found the first problems, as you has mentioned already yesterday. A textile sensor is behaving differently than another sensor, which you get normally. But in principle, when you have conducting fibers, it can happen, especially with copper wires, something can happen. Also, the makers, Austria, found this. They got a signal from the sensor, but they could not really process the signal. There were too many problems still, and so they have to find other electronics which they would like to use. They have ordered it, they did not yet receive it, and that's why they want to do further tests. Well, they are really trying hard. We got the feedback that they want to try something else with the geometry of the sensor. Of course, we are supporting them, and depending on the sensors they want to use, they will give us their requirements and we produce the sensors they want. Well, looking forward, I'm very interested what will come out of this. It will take until we have a real good and touchable result. But in the meantime, the University of Hagenberg is working with that subject. They have the sensors already. They made their first tests. It looks quite good. They can show the multi-touch function with our sensor, and I'm really looking forward to October, what will come out of that and how the results will look like. Thanks. And I would be very happy if we can see each other live. Benjamin and myself, we were brainstorming, and Benjamin is also member of the Grabherr group in Vorarlberg, and he has an ecosystem available which really can do fantastic things. So I can only recommend you to cooperate with Benjamin and get to know this technology a little bit better. Smart textiles. There are not so many ideas on the market so far, and Benjamin has all the required resources in order to support you. Thank you. I'm looking forward to the next weeks. Tom, may I interfere? Because we got now an update of Arno Aumeier, who cannot be present. Benjamin told about that. Arno said they could succeed the multi-touch function, but they have still some problems with the control functions. So that you know, they will of course get in touch with you, Benjamin, again. Very dynamic. So Industry Meets Makers is a very dynamic format. So, well, this is normal here, and that's we have very great ideas in a very short time.